pressure yourself much. Just do your best, and that's more than enough. Lahat gusto mong maabot agad, pero may oras ang bawat pangarap. Minsan ang buhay ay tahimik lang, minsan na may puro pagsubok ang dala. Pero sa bawat hakbang na ginagawa, may pag-asang unti-unting sumisikat. Hindi mo kailangang maging perpekto, hindi rin kailangang mauna sa mundo. Just keep believing in your heart. Your brightest day will surely start. Don't pressure yourself too much. Just do your best. That's more than enough. Kahit mabagal ang bawat hakbang, darating ka rin sa iyong pangarap. Kapag napagod, pahinga muna, pero wag na wag kang susuko pa. Your best today is worth so much. Just keep believing you're enough. May mga araw na puno ng luha, may mga gabing puno ng kaba. Ngunit ang bawat sugat na nadama, nagiging lakas sa bagong umaga. Hindi na susukat ang tunay na tagumpay sa bilis ng takbo o sa dami ng taglay. Ang mahalaga'y hindi ka sumusuko, patuloy lang hanggang dulo. Every scar becomes a lesson. Every fall becomes your reason. Stand up stronger than before. You'll find what you're fighting for. Don't pressure yourself too much. Just do your best. That's more than enough. Every little step you take leads you closer every day. Hold your dreams and don't let go, even when the winds don't blow. Keep your faith and trust the climb. Your moment comes in time. One day you'll smile and realize you survived the darkest nights. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa laban, may liwanag sa bawat daan. Just keep the fire in your soul. Little by little you'll reach your goal. Prince raps on the lane, slow rock.